I think in looking at the security of the underlying property and the stability of values, one of the fantastic parts of the Australian marketplace is that it operates in a relatively conservative, self-regulated environment. So to work that through in the most simple of terms, for buildings to be constructed in Australia, they have to be pre-committed through a pre-sales type program by purchasers. That requires finance. In order to obtain the finance, you need those pre-sales. Without the pre-sales, you won't actually get the money to build the buildings, which means they never get built and supply doesn't go into the market. Before people commit to buying apartments, they consider whether they can attract tenants. So it regulates and finds an equilibrium by effectively saying, if the market, and this is a hypothetical statement, but if the market did become oversupplied, then there'd be a drop-off of tenant demand. If there's a drop-off of tenant demand, what you would find is buyers would retreat from the market. If buyers retreat from the market, they don't pre-sell. If they don't pre-sell, the banks and groups like Qualitas don't finance. If they don't finance, you don't put supply into the marketplace. And that combination actually ensures it creates a self-regulation and an equilibrium. And when you look at the volume of cranes in the sky, I would actually argue there's less cranes in the sky in 2018 as compared to previous years. And in fact, there's a delay and a lag effect by cranes in the sky. So the cranes that you're seeing today are projects that were conceived in 2016, 2015. I think if you roll forward to 2020, 2021, you might see that there's actually a lot less cranes in the sky because there's less projects that are actually coming into the market at the present time.